Hello, I am just returning from Yoga Fest in northern Michigan, and I'm feeling super blessed and thankful. I was really able to connect there and yeah, just replug in. I feel inspired and focused. So, what am I doing? I'm inspired to share another opportunity with you. Here I am. I don't usually do videos. August 16th through 18th coming up. It is called Barefoot and Free Yoga Festival. It is outside Detroit near Novi. It's on the river in the woods. There's lots of activities. You don't have to do yoga. No experience necessary. There's going to be a steam house. Did I say it's family friendly? And I really dig the music and dancing under the stars. I will be offering classic hatha yoga, which I'm super passionate about, and also something you may have never heard of, Innerdance. It's also called Inner Guidance, maybe a guided sound journey. What is it? We're gonna lay down on the floor. Bring your mat if you have one. And it's going to be music guided. It's going to be guided by music frequencies, maybe a bit of my voice. It's scientific based, allowing the music frequencies to tap into our different brainwave states. This might allow an opening, a potential shift. Right, maybe just an experience or another perspective. Yeah, whatever it is that you need. It's sometimes known as a healing modality. If we think of ourselves like an onion with lots of layers on our skin, it can be seen as a way of taking away one layer. Yeah. So come check it out. I'm bringing it all the way from the Philippines where it's been rebirthed. And did I say it's an ancient tradition? It is. It's scientific based and all proven goodness. So everything is in your control. Come check it out. Would love to see you. Use my discount. I'll write it below. See you.